How do you know that you have a strong, healthy brand? Well, you have strong sales and growth. Now, in order to grow, a company must convert non-buyers into buyers and make them buy their brand as often as possible. But to understand how we can convert non-buyers into buyers, first, we must understand how consumers make purchasing decisions. Purchasing decisions are strongly connected to mental availability. Mental what? Right, so this is a scientifically proven but easy to understand and actionable concept. Mental availability is how easily a brand comes to mind when someone is in a purchasing situation. Now, let me give you an example for soda. You and your friend go to the movies. Of course, you buy popcorn, a snack, and a drink. This is where the purchasing decision comes in. Now, here's the key. I want you to think about which drink and drink brand comes to mind for you when thinking of being at the movies. Got one? Well, whichever drink it is, this is the one you associate with being at the movies. And so you had strong mental availability for this drink brand because it easily came to mind in this specific purchasing situation. Okay, now let's say you exercised and want a refreshing drink. What brand comes to mind for you now? Was it the same when you thought of the movie theater? Maybe, but likely not. Instead, you may have thought of a water brand. So let's summarize this for a second here. Mental availability, again, is how easily a brand comes to mind when in a purchasing situation. Got it. And to grow, a brand must come to mind in as many buying situations as possible. Okay, so this makes sense. All you have to do is increase how easily your brand comes to mind in these situations, and growth will occur. Yes, pretty much. The greater your mental availability is amongst consumers, the more of your product will be purchased. You could even say, the greater your brand's mental availability, the stronger your brand's health. So mental availability is a key indicator when looking at your brand's health. Perfect. We get the first concept down. Now let's dive deeper and take a closer look at the components of mental availability.